Hello, I'm Jonathan with Kiko Body Repair Products. Today we'd like to talk to you about our Elim Dent light. Why in the world would we recommend you to use a light to do body repair? Well, that's an easy answer. If you want to light up the dent or the area that you work on, you see what you are fixing, and all PDR guys, of course, know why it's so important to have a light. If you're a body man, you didn't use a light yet to light up the area or the dent that you are fixing, you are literally working in the dark your whole life. So, if you use the battery with this mobile light, we have three different ones: Milwaukee, Makita, or DeWalt, depends on what your preference is. We just put the battery into the base. You have an on and off switch here. You can use 6 different LED strips, meaning we have 3 cold colors or white, and on the other hand we have 3 warm colors. Why the difference in colors? Well, all different colors of cars. You have light colors like white and very dark ones, dark blue, brown and black ones, and that's why you use different kind of colors to light up detail in the paint that you are working on, because at the end of the day we're all doing pull to paint and leaving the paint on there, so working on the paint. What are the special features here? Well, the base has a wood suction cup, meaning this suction cup will adapt or hold on all the paint parts on your car, even on the glass, so you can put and fix and connect this light anywhere you want on the car. Put it right at the right amount of space or length from the dent that you are fixing to light up the area or detail that you want to see while glue pulling or repairing your car. As you could see, this spinal cord or backbone is fixable, and it allows you to bend your light in any possible position that you prefer. The lock liners, you can tension them more or less to keep it in the position that you want. So if you want to know more about our Elim Dent light, just visit kikotabs.com or click the link below.